Hello guys, good afternoon. Introducing myself Deepak Boge. I am from the ADSR English classes, Tellara district, Akola. Being a old former student from the batch of 2014 and 15. Introducing my another friend.
Hello everyone, my name is Roshan Masad. I am also a student of ADSR Spoken Class Tellara. I am also a student of 2014-15 batch. Now our topic is about positivity. Deepak will tell about this topic.
Speaking about the topic, that the topic is about the how positivity can lead to the success. What are the possible conditions that can positivity create for a person to achieve a goal or to live a happy life or effective life, or you can say that without life without any problem. So coming towards the topic without losing some time. So as we all know that positivity, it brings the mind to the main thing about it. It brings the happiness. It brings the calm mind for a person so that it can lead up for a person to take correct decisions, as we all know. So
Yes. When I am listening to you, a point strikes in my mind, an example strikes in my mind, which is about the recent game between India and Pakistan. In that game, the target was big, but Virat and Hardik Pandya choose to be calm. They stayed positive throughout the game, and with the help of that, they were with easily chase that target. That's why positivity is important. Being optimistic is really important in this life. This example can tell us how much important positivity is and how this can bring a drastic change in our result. That's
as you said about the optimistic, that person can be optimistic because being positive makes the person to think the positive, to take everything positively. Like even if there is a failure, even if there is a mistake being happen in his or specifically life, so that makes a person to take positively. If there is a mistake there, or if there is condition that has to take a person has to decide a thing wisely, so that that positive thing can make his mind perceptive for minute things. He can conclude the we can predict the conditions and then can take a better decision that will also increase confidence for the betterment.
yes. I think there is also one word associated with positivity, which is stress. Stress. Now the question is how the stress is associated with positivity. Now the stress, when a positive person can never be stressful. There is an indirect relation between positivity and stress. We should be positive, with the help of which stress can be miles away from us, which can help us to succeed in our life. I have never seen, and we have literally never seen a person who is negative in his life and has not achieved success. Positive person always have always been successful in their life, and there is always a whole cycle to it. Once there is a negative thought, it is succeeded by another negative thought. It is same like nothing succeeds like success. In the same way, no negative thought is succeeded by another negative thought, and the only solution to it is thinking positively. What's your thought about being positive?
As you spoke about the circle, that it is a unending loop.
Yes.
It is an infinite loop that a negative thought is converted again. One will be negative thought, and that makes a person to make the mind to go into depression, and the depression may lead to an unwanted outcome. That is not the solution for the every problem, as you spoke about, and also about the example about the confidence, and also and that screw up the things, and things getting screwed. A person cannot be, and if a negative person is being the things being screwed up in his life, he cannot guide another person. He cannot give the positivity.
Exactly.
He cannot encourage another people surrounding him, so that if specific person is considering anyone as an ideal person, so that ideality of that person is about that. If he is positive, then he can be a better ideal person. So for being if you want to be the ideal for anyone, one should also be positive, because that positivity brings the positive vibe. That positive vibe can create positive attitude, and that positive attitude is responsible for your better decisions, for your and it pumps us for hard work.
Yes, exactly. All these things are interrelated. We in our day-to-day life interact with many persons, and we got to know that there are many persons who has positive aura around them, and this aura attracts us to them. We want to be friends with them because means it is said that we should have good friends because they bring positivity in our life, and the same positivity is reflected in us. So we should always try to stay calm, stay positive, with the help of which we can be closer to our goal. As there are many examples for it, there are many great leaders in the world, in our country also, who have talked about positivity. There are many books also about positivity. Positivity is a mindset game. it should be played wisely. And if we have the one successful arrow which we should have in ourselves, it must be of positivity. It helps us to bring another level of success in our life. There is whole means to add to this, there are also many other things which accompany positivity, like hard work. If we are hard working, then we remain positive because we have confidence in ourselves that if I have done hard work, then I will be successful in my life. I will do something good because I have positivity, because I have done I have did hard work. That's the whole thing to it. What's about it?
As you said about the positivity, these all things are interrelated, and it can positivity as well is a state of mind. For being positive, after being positive, one can clear its confusion. Because if you are specifically having even solving the multiple choice question, if you are not positive, you cannot definitely think about the solution. You know the correct answer, but you cannot hit it with the confidence because you are not positive about the question that there can be another answer for it. And as you spoke about the leaders, not only leaders, about the freedom fighter also. Before getting the freedom, there were very bad conditions. Not bad, but it was worse than. No one would have ever thought that India can ever be free from the Britishers. But the freedom fighters kept the positivity. That positivity made the opportunities for us. As you understand, and as I can say, the wise person can convert a chance into an opportunity. As about the SWOT analysis, and everyone knows that about the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So one must consider the negativity as the biggest threat in its life. So that and the positivity should be the biggest strength in everyone's life. So that one person can, with the help of that positivity, one can overcome his weaknesses and can create opportunities.
Positivity is really, as you to add on to it, positivity is really important, and with the help of that positivity, all that negative vibes can be faded away. And as on the current social media, there is an important word called as vibe. What is vibe? Vibe is nothing but positivity in our everyone's life, which we should imbibe. So now this Diwali, let us have a resolution that we be positive in our life, we be more confident about our life, about our future. We should be optimistic about our future and about the thing which we see in our nature, our friends and our well-wishers, and also maybe our haters too, because we should be optimistic towards this. So as the time is, as we have limited time, we will end it here. Thank you everyone for listening to us. Thank you viewer for listening us patiently. As you are here till we think that there is also positivity from us too. So thank you everyone for listening patiently from AD Sir's Easy Spoken Class Telara. Thank you so much and wish you a happy, prosperous and positive Diwali. Thank you.